Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a bowl of ramen. So let's get started. To draw this yummy bowl of ramen, let's first start by drawing a big curve across. So I'm going to start about right here. I'll just give myself a point and I'm going to drag it all the way across because I'm drawing pretty big and it's just going to help me to see a little bit better where I'm going. So something like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and just draw this soft curve all the way across. So about right here is kind of center, so it's going to flatten out, and then we're going to go back up to the other side. There, something like that. And so now that it's pretty level, we're going to come up here and imagine you're drawing an oval. So we're just going to round it off. And I'm just going to do a little bit because I need to fill this ramen bowl with a bunch of stuff. But I just want to give myself the curve so I know where everything can fit into. So then from there, let's go ahead and draw the bowl. So I'm going to come right here on the edge and just draw a nice round curve on both sides and create my bowl. So just a very basic round bowl. Going to go back and forth. There. Okay, so I got this big bowl in. And then we'll come to the bottom right here, the center area, and I'm going to draw a base. So a little bottom part right here. So I'm just going to slightly curve, and I want it centered. So let's say about right there. Just a slight curve, and then go ahead and just connect it, following the bowl, the curve of your bowl. There, so now our bowl can sit well on the table. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw all the yummy stuff in the bowl. So I'm going to start on this edge right here and just going to pop in an egg. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw this curve. Just keep in mind it's going to be a little bit thinner towards the top, and then it's going to widen out towards the bottom and just tuck it in. And then of course we need to draw the yolk. So about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a circle right in here. Then maybe on the side right here, we can draw a fish cake. So I'm just going to go around with these curves. If you're not comfortable doing that, you can definitely just make it a circle and bring it in. And draw a little curve there just to finish it. And when you're coloring, you can put in a little swirl of pink. And I'll just come in here and fill up this space. And then we need to maybe draw some noodles, right? So to simplify it, I'm just going to draw a bunch of curves. So maybe just like one nice slope right here. Another one here. And I just want to make sure I'm going above this curve, like imagining this curve is going through to here. I want these things to cover that. So it's going to be above that line so that it kind of makes sense and I don't have to draw too many details. Okay, so then maybe on this side we can draw some slices of meat. So I'm just going to come right about here and just kind of wobble down. Maybe another slice, a little bit higher up, and then wobble down again. And then when you're coloring, you can put in some colors like the stripes for the meat. And then let's put in one more layer of noodle. Maybe about right here. There, so it's nice and full, right? And then we can probably tuck in some seaweed on the back just to break it up. So So we come right about here and slice it down, and then maybe another one for the deluxe. There. And then for the noodles, you can come in here and I'm just gonna lightly just draw in some of these lines just to try to make it look like strands. And sometimes you can change it up, perhaps. And same thing over here. There, some noodles. And then let's see, let's add a pair of chopsticks. So let's come up here and I'm going to angle it. So let's say about right here. And it's going to be a little bit wider towards the top. So right there, and then we're going to angle it in. And same thing, maybe one more about here. So definitely turn your body or the paper if you need to. There, 2 pairs of chopsticks. Okay, so then now that we have that, I thought, oh, I almost forgot. We could add in some, like maybe onions. So I totally forgot about that. So I'm just gonna draw in some of these organic rectangular square shapes. And just kind of on the top right here. I'll go in there and erase that later. Maybe 5 of them just to add some color. And then let's bring this to life, right? So let's come over here on this area and draw a big circle for some Draw So Cute eyes. And let's go across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. Now my 2 circles in, let's make them Draw So Cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There, and then let's add a curve above each eye, and then a big smile right in between. And maybe give it a tongue because it's very yummy. And cap it off. And I need to add a heart, so I could do that in a fish cake, but you know what, I'm going to add it on my chopsticks right here, on both of them, to make this my Draw So Cute bowl of ramen. I really hope you love how this turned out. Oh, you know what, I forgot. Whatever space you have left to finish up your oval to complete the bowl. Okay, and then now we're done. So thanks so much for watching, and I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.